Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, I'm going to be showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk to you about some major talking points and features of this 430D M Sport Coupe. As you can see, it's presented in the Glacier Silver Metallic, and alongside that we've also added the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. It's also enhanced even further by the optional extra 19-inch 442M alloy wheels that we've had freshly refurbished in the bi-colour jet black, as you can see there, and they're a very now proud standout feature to the car. Situated behind there, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. That includes the full M Sport Plus pack for the car as well, all of which I'll point out what else is included in that shortly. Down the side of the car, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers. We've added satin side vinyls to the car along with the YNC Mperformance decals. And on the rear windows, you also get the sun protection glazing package, again thanks to that M Sport Plus package. A very exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle, and one with some very nice optional extras. It also has a quick to the car, as well as that superb 3-litre diesel engine. We've got the XDRIVE four-wheel drive system, always a very sought after thing, especially now we're coming to the cooler, colder months. Inside we get a black Dakota leather with both electric movement and memory. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've got Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, as you can see there. Rear seats composed of a Isofix rear bench and a lovely central armrest. You also get a darkened M Sport headline in. Another nice feature for this car is the comfort access package it has. So you'll see there, we've got the little stripes on the door handle. This means you can walk up to the car with the key on your person should you have your hands full. Always a very useful feature, and the car will unlock for you. And it is virtually the same for walking away. You no longer need to click the buttons should you not want to. At the back of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser, and there you'll see that XDRIVE badging. Again, another optional extra for this car is a rear facing reversing camera, and I will demonstrate that for you shortly. As you can see, you get an exceptionally large boot space on a Coupe 4 Series. You also get split folding seats along with the lovely genuine BMW floor mats presented very nicely on this 430D. Making our way round to the other side of the car. Again, the Glacier Silver is a very nice colour that works extremely well with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. And again, exquisitely presented round at this side also. And again, we'll give you another glance at these stunning 19-inch alloys before I head on inside to run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. We've also got power folding mirrors on this car. And of course, we're greeted by that lovely professional wide navigation and media screen. We'll start the vehicle up and just run yourselves through a couple of the screens. Starting with the satellite navigation, we've got Bluetooth audio and telephone, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs including music collection. External devices is your USB and your AUX, and of course your Bluetooth audio inputs. I did of course mention about that rear facing reversing camera, and we'll check that out now. So you can see you not only get the parking camera, you also get parking guidance lines, you also get front and rear parking sensors as well to help you in any situation possible. In terms of overall mileage, this vehicle's covered just over 70,000 miles. However, hopefully throughout this walk around video you've been able to see that it is in superb condition despite that slightly higher mileage. However, of course, bearing in mind it is a 2015 65 reg, so the mileage is about right for the age of the car. 11,000 miles till next service. And in terms of service history, again, as you can see there, we've got a good amount of BMW Service History on the iDrive. Down here we find the dual climate control. Hopefully you've been able to see that again as we've been going around the interior, where you find the seat heating switches as well. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, I know I mentioned that. We've also got we've also got cruise control and speed limiter functions, voice and volume controls all on there as well. So we've got a lovely high-spec 430D M Sport Coupe here for you once again, and I'll quickly just demonstrate that comfort access package as I mentioned just a second ago. So I've got the key here now, and I'll simply walk out of the car. I'm not going to click any buttons. I can simply just place my hand there on the door handle and it will lock itself nice and easily. So again, thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Take care and goodbye.